Let's make the most of the night like we're gonna die young.
Good morning, Miss J, Sir Lance. Merry Christmas nga pala and a Happy New Year. Sana next year makasama na ako sa mga event natin ulit. Medyo nabisi lang ako sa pamilya ko, sa anak ko. Alam nyo na, babysitter. Pero sana makasama ako next year. Maraming salamat ulit, Sir Lance, Miss J. Ingat palagi.
Hello Miss J, Sir Lance, Merry Christmas po sa inyo and a Happy New Year po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat and wish you good health and many more blessings to come. God bless.
Hi Sir Lance, Miss J, Merry Christmas and I wish na dumami pa po yung events natin and I hope makasama na po ulit kami. And I hope to see you soon, guys. Merry Christmas again and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Miss J, Sir Lance.
Merry Christmas po, Miss J, Sir Lance. Salamat po sa pagtitiwala. See you po next year.
Hello po, Ma'am J, Sir Lance. Thank you po and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas po. Salamat po.
Hello po, Miss J, Sir Lance. Thank you po sa events. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po, Sir Lance and Miss J. Thank you for the opportunity that you gave to us po and to learn new knowledge and skills during the event. And thank you so much again for giving us food and extra rice and yun lang po. Thank you.
Hi Miss Jane, Sir Lance. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And thank you sa opportunity, especially sa mga events. And I know next year I can do better. And sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung events natin.
Yun.
Then yun lang po. Thank you. Thank you very much. Once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yes.
Good morning po, Sir Lance, Miss J. Thank you po sa lahat ng Visa 2024. Sana sa susunod mas dumami pa. Merry Christmas po at Happy New Year. Thank you po.
Hello, Miss J, Sir Lance. It's been a decade long and thank you so much for the opportunities you've given me.
And maraming salamat lagi sa tiwala. Sa tiwala niyo po sa akin for the past decade, and salamat sa laking tulong. So with that, thank you po again, Miss J. Sir Lance, and Merry Christmas to the whole team.
Miss J, Brother Lance, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you sa pagbigay sa akin ng chance to direct your events and more to come. Happy holidays. God bless.
Hi Miss J, Sir Lance, Merry Christmas po. Salamat po sa 14 years and counting. Salamat po sa lahat ng tiwala, sa lahat ng blessings po, sa lahat ng pasensya, sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Merry Christmas sa ating lahat, and sana many events and years na pagsasamahan pa natin. Merry Christmas po sa inyong dalawa.
Hi Miss J, Sir Lance, thank you so much for 10 years of together with you doing events. Thank you for the opportunity. Sincerely thank you being part of Vegas Fest. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay healthy and God bless.
Hi Miss J, Sir Lance. Eto na naman tayo. Last event for 2024. Sana maging okay to. Gagalingan natin lahat. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Miss J, Sir Lance, thank you for being part of Team Vegas Spec. 17 years na tayo magkakasama. Very blessed and very happy na up to now maganda pa rin yung tinatakbo ng team. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, more power, Team Vegas Spec.
Hi Sir Lance, Miss J. First of all, I would like to thank you for believing in my talent and capability and trusting na mag-spin sa inyong mga events. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng blessing na nabigay sa atin at nabigay nyo rin sa amin sa Team Vegas Spec. Reminisce ko lang, no? Way back 2010 nang ma-discover mo ako sa Splash Island. Yeah, yung event natin. First event ko sa Team Vegas Spec, sabi mo, pwede ba ako mag-DJ sa inyo? Mag-spinner sa inyo? Sabi ko, yes. Doon pa lang, thank you very much ma'am sa tiwala na binigay mo sa akin. Yun lang, more power sa Team Vegas Spec and moving forward and looking forward sa 2025. More power and more events to come. Congratulations Team Vegas Spec. Merry Christmas.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Happy